To create a dynamic imagery layer in ArcGIS Image for ArcGIS Online, navigate to the Content page. Select the Create button, then create an imagery layer. For the layer types, choose between the tiled imagery layer or dynamic imagery layer. In this case, dynamic imagery layer will be chosen. For layer configuration, you can choose between one image, one mosaic image, image collection, and multiple imagery layers. In this case, one mosaic image will be chosen. Choose a raster type that best describes the data you are uploading. You also have the ability to change the raster type properties. Then, drag and drop the imagery and associated metadata files into the browser for upload. Fill out the layer description, including the title and tags. Then select the Create button. Once a dynamic imagery layer is created, navigate to the Content Overview tab where the dynamic imagery layer can be opened in the ArcGIS Online map viewer. We can now view the Mosaic Nape 4-band dynamic imagery layer over Golden, Colorado, which is being rendered on the server side. We are able to use this layer for visualization and analysis in the map viewer.